Saints, this is Gospel Believers Fellowship, and this is the piece of land, the 2-acre land that God gave us in 2001. The land belongs to Gospel Believers Fellowship or ministry. We have a deed, and we feel that the Lord is leading us to shift and relocate from the town center, where the railway corporation is taking a part of our land over there, and shift to this place a bit outskirts of the town. And we pray that the Lord will provide and supply for our establishment here. We have had a project over here, cattle keeping. You can see some cows over here, and we are believing the Lord that this is a better place because it is spacious. We can have a sanctuary over here, we can have dining hall, we can have 2 different hostels for ladies and men whenever we have a conference, and also we can have administration block, training facility and library, and a kitchen for our ministry establishment. We humbly ask for your prayers that God will provide to establish this ministry headquarters in this place. God bless you for your prayers.